Good morning. Welcome to Cooking in Your Pajamas.
Hey!
Better. Welcome to Cooking Plant Forward. We're going to make French toast today, so follow me and I'll show you how to do it. All right, here we go. So, first things first, we want to get the berry compote going because I don't like to use syrup. Well, I like maple syrup, real maple syrup that actually comes out of a tree. What I don't like is flavored corn syrup on my French toast. So I like to make a little berry compote. And all this is frozen berries. Let it come to room temperature just slightly. It's going to start turning into a little bit of a liquid. And then we're going to add sugar. That sweetens it up. About, use as much as you want, whatever you feel. I like right around a teaspoon, maybe a teaspoon and a half. Mix that up, let it set. The longer it sets, the more you're going to get of this syrupy deliciousness that's going to go on the French toast. This is vanilla extract. Just, use whatever the best vanilla extract that you can get. That makes that delicious there. Boom, boom. And I like to zest a little bit of lemon into it, just for that. All right. Whenever you zest something, you want to just zest off the top of the peel. You don't want to keep going on this white part. That part's bitter. You're going to get nice lemon flavor from the peel itself. Okay, mix that up. And then we're going to let that marinate while we cook the French toast. Next up, we are going to make the dredge for the French toast. Eggs. Now, depending on how many you're going to make, roughly it's about an egg a person. Roughly, depending on what bread you're going to use as well. I like to use a nice, thick, fresh bread. Now, I made this bread. This is a Japanese milk bread, shokupan. And I will put that on the recipe for you to be able to make it as well. It's a nice, thick piece of toast, thick piece of bread. And that's going to take on the egg very nicely. Beautiful. Get this pan going nice and hot. Cast iron takes a little bit longer to heat up. However, it makes for a nice crispy crust. Get that going nice and hot. The pan is almost hot. You're going to whisk these until they're nice and smooth. Now, there is opinions on whether you should put some water in the eggs or whether you should put some milk in the eggs. That's really preference. It's up to you. Some people say don't do it. Some people say do it. But what you definitely need to do is put some cinnamon in it. Cinnamon is delicious in French toast. You can put nutmeg. Just put a little bit of more sugar in there if you want sugar, but I feel like there's plenty of sugar in this. So let's get some cinnamon in here, huh? Spice. So a little goes a long way. Okay, so cinnamon is incorporated. Eggs are whisked up really well. Let's see how hot this pan is. A little butter in the pan. This is a non-dairy plant-based butter. Just as good without the dairy. Ooh, that looks good. Melting, nice and bubbly. You really want that pan to be hot. It's going to give you a good sear, going to give you a good crust. Beautiful. With the size of these slices of bread, I'm probably only going to be doing 2 at a time, which is about a serving. If you're making for a lot of people, you can put a different dish off to the side, cover it with a towel when it's done cooking to keep all of them hot. And we're just going to put it right in the batter. Let it soak up. Take your time. Strip off the excess. Get it right into that hot pan. And just leave it alone. No need to mess with it. Let it cook. Okay, so after about a minute or two, I like to flip these over before they're done. Solidifies the egg on this side, gets the other side going as well, and the batter is going to coat a little bit more evenly without cooking this all the way to that golden crispy yet, but we'll get there. All right, now we're ready to flip these over. See how that's getting a nice golden brown? All right, now these are nice golden brown. These are ready to go. We'll go ahead and get them over to the plate. Put a little bit of plant-based butter on them. And then go ahead and add your compote. Mixed berry compote. See how that has gotten much more liquid in it? Yeah, that's delicious right there. Take those berries, put them right on top. Top with a little powdered sugar, just make it look pretty. And there we go. French toast. The whole family will love.